So what you can also easily do is go ahead and import out existing contents inside of Notion. So to do that, you need to go around onto your profile and click, and then you need to go around over here onto your settings. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that import is an option right here. Once you go ahead and click, then you can see that I got different things that I can actually go ahead and import out. So to do that, I'm simply going to go around and choose a file that I want to go ahead and import. Let's say, for example, I'm going to choose Word right here, just like this. So once you do that, you can see that you can open up an existing Word file and then click on Open right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can simply go ahead and import it out right here, and the contents of the Word document has been imported over here just like this. Similarly, you can go around over here on to, let's say, for example, settings, and go to import right here. And then you can see that you can import out various contents as you want. Let's say even a PDF file, as you can see right here. So I can simply go ahead and choose a PDF file right here. Simply go ahead and click on open, and that PDF file will be uploaded right here and will get imported, as you can see right there. So as you can see that it's importing right here just like this. It's just loading right here. You need to wait for a while, and the file from the PDF, as you can see, the contents has been imported around over here in Note just like this. And this is how you can go ahead and import out contents inside of Notion. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.